Fijian Kulas head coach Angeline Chua is confident her team has what it takes to lift the trophy at the OFC Women's Nations Cup 2025, which kicks off tomorrow in Fiji. Group A action kicks off tomorrow in Lautoka, with Cook Islands facing Tahiti in the tournament opener at Churchill Park, followed by defending champions Papua New Guinea taking on Samoa.
The Fijian Kulas will surely be out to play with pride and motivation, especially in front of their home crowd. This is according to head coach Angeline Chua.
This is my first OFC Women's Nation Cup. So the previous one, the team won silver. So for us, we just want to have a step up from here. And also, the most important thing is we want to be like the pioneers of in Fiji to actually set a good example for the youth that's coming out, because of the World Cup qualifiers. That the youth have the chance to get qualified and go to the bigger stage. So the aim is really to leave a legacy for the next generation.
Chua acknowledges her overseas-based players who are expected to boost the team's performance in this tournament.
Because it's not a stranger, so two is new, and then for the other three, they have been regular. So Kailani scored. Trina Davies and Priya Singh has been regular for Fiji, and then we have two new additions that will help give us some new profile for the team.
Team captain Chotivini Tambua says that her team is well prepared and is looking forward to a good start against Solomon Islands.
I think the team and the coaches are really doing a great job in terms of the first game on Saturday. As we all know that all the teams want to win the game. So I trust our teammates and the officials.
The Fijian Kula will take on Solomon Islands this Saturday at 7 p.m. at the HFC Bank Stadium in Suva. Venina Songanga, Fiji 1 News.